In this video, I will show you how to put header only on first page in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word, double click on this top area. So you will see this tab, header and footer, and all settings here. Now type your text. Okay, now I will show you. Now I will show you in double pages. Okay, so now we have only first page header. So what you need, just click here, close header and footer. That's it. Type your text here, then close header and footer. So now you have only in this first page header. So this is the way you can make and create only first page header. Thanks for watching.